Morning everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 11 construction. In this chapter basically we are going to study about the three parts, that is a perpendicular bisector, a angle bisector or angles by compass. These three parts we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, for basically construction means we use two measuring devices, that is the ruler or compass. That is the simple meaning of construction, that a geometrical construction is the process of drawing a geometrical figure using only two instruments. We are using only two instruments, that is a ruler and a compass. As you know, ruler is look like this and compass is this. So we are basically using ruler and compass to draw geometrical figures, that is known as construction. Okay, so we divided this chapter in three parts. That is, the first part is, as I already told you, perpendicular bisector. Okay, our first part is perpendicular bisector. A second part is, we will draw angle bisector. And the third part is, we will draw angles by using compass. Okay, so this is all about our chapter. So let's take first perpendicular bisector. As the name suggests, what we are going to do, we find a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Now we draw a line segment, that is A and B. What we have to do, we have to find its perpendicular bisector by using compass. कैसे find out करेंगे perpendicular bisector by using compass? What we have to do, first we open our compass half to this line segment, then we mark a arc above the line segment and mark a arc below the line segment, and again we are marking our arc from point A above the line segment and below the line segment. And after this, what we have to do, we have to join these two cuts, okay, or we can say these two arcs we have to join. So this is the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. As we can see here, that perpendicular bisector means, if we mark this point O, that means AO is equals to OB. AO part और OB part exactly क्या होगा, equal होगा, और we can say, हम लिख सकते हैं AO plus OB equals to AB. This is all about perpendicular bisector. Now a second topic is angle bisector. What we are going to do, we are going to bisect an angle by using a compass. Okay, again we have to draw a line segment. For this we have draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. We mark its points, that is, this is point A and this is point B. First we have to draw an angle. Okay, angle bisector means we have to bisect an angle, but for this we have to draw an angle, that is, we have drawn this angle of x degree. Okay, this we mark point C and this is of x degree, our angle. What we have to do, we have to bisect it by using a compass. कैसे bisect करेंगे इसे? First we have to open our compass and then draw a arc like this way. ओके, इस तरीके से हमें आर्क ड्रॉ करना है, एंड देन हमें इस आर्क के फर्स्ट पॉइंट से यहाँ पे अनदर आर्क को कट करना है, एंड देन इस आर्क के सेकंड पॉइंट से भी हमें अनदर आर्क कट करना है. ओके, दिस वे. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जॉइन दिस. जब हम इसे जॉइन करेंगे देन ये क्या करेगा, हमारे इस x डिग्री को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देगा. दैट मीन्स ये होगा x/2 एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो x/2. दिस इज नोन एज एंगल बाइसेक्टर. ओके, नाउ अ थर्ड टॉपिक इज we have to draw angles by using compass. Okay, we have to draw angles by using compass. What we are going to do, we are going to make angles such as 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree and 45 degree. These 4 angles we are going to make by using our compass. So again for this we have to draw a line segment by using our ruler. Okay, what we have to do, we have to open our compass and draw a major arc. Major arc is this. Okay, now for drawing 60 degree angle we have to put our arc here and mark a arc on this major arc. Now we have to join this. So this will be our 60 degree angle. ठीक है, इस तरीके से हम 60 डिग्री का एंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Now what we have to do, we have to, for 120 degree we have to open our arc. First we mark 60 degree and then we mark another arc on this major arc and then join it by a line segment, and the broad arc is known as 120 degree एंगल. ठीक है, हमने एक मेजर आर्क ड्रॉ करा इस लाइन सेगमेंट के ऊपर. देन हमने फर्स्ट कट करा इस मेजर आर्क के ऊपर. दिस विल बी आर 60 डिग्री एंगल एंड व्हेन वी ड्रॉ अनदर आर्क on this major arc, this will be our 120 degree angle. Now we have to do 90 degree and 45 degree. So again for this we have to draw a line segment. Line segment draw करने के बाद this is our point A and this is our point B. What we have to do, we have to again draw a major arc on this. This way. Okay, now we have to same as open our arc and draw a arc on major arc. Again we have to draw another arc on major arc. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. Now what we have to do, we have to take from this point that is on 60 degree, we have to mark this arc here, and again from 120 degree we have to mark or intersect the first arc. Now we join it by a line segment. This is our 90 degree angle. Okay, इस तरीके से हम 90 डिग्री बना सकते हैं. Now another is we have to draw 45 डिग्री एंगल. तो उसे हम बाइसेक्ट कर देंगे 90 डिग्री को, तब हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 45 डिग्री का एंगल आ जाएगा. एंड आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हाउ टू बाइसेक्ट अ एंगल. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट एंड देन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, and now we have to join the line. जब हम इस लाइन को ज्वाइन करेंगे from the mid of this angle, then this will be our 45 degree angle. That's it. इस तरीके से हम 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना सकते हैं, 45 का बना सकते हैं, 60 का बना सकते हैं, 120 का बना सकते हैं by using compass. And we have already studied to draw perpendicular bisector and angle bisector by using compass. That's it.